Have you ever thought about the fascinating world of pythons? These incredible creatures are not just your average snakes. They're some of the largest reptiles on the planet, with species like the reticulated python reaching lengths of over 7 to 8 meters. Imagine that! We're talking about snakes that can grow to lengths that rival a school bus. And get this, there are even reports of individuals stretching up to 10 meters long. That's longer than a small car. It's a marvel of nature, and it makes you wonder how something so massive can move so stealthily through its environment. Now, you might be thinking, a snake that big must be dangerous. But here's the twist. Pythons are non-venomous. Instead of injecting venom like many of their snake cousins, they rely on their incredible strength to subdue their prey. They're constrictors, which means they wrap their powerful bodies around their meals and squeeze until the prey can no longer breathe. It's a brutal but efficient method of hunting, and it's fascinating to think about how they've evolved to become such effective ambush predators. They lie in wait, perfectly still, blending into their surroundings, and when the moment is right, they strike with lightning speed. It's a game of patience and precision. One of the most astonishing aspects of pythons is their ability to swallow prey whole. Their jaws are incredibly flexible, allowing them to open wide enough to consume animals much larger than their own heads. Can you picture that? A snake unhinging its jaw to devour something the size of a small deer or a large pig. And once they've swallowed their meal, they don't need to eat again for a long time. Pythons have a slow metabolism, which means they can go months without food after a big meal. It's almost like they're designed to survive in the wild with minimal resources, which is a testament to their adaptability. Speaking of adaptability, pythons can thrive in various habitats, from lush rainforests to arid grasslands and even swamps. These snakes can be found in a multitude of environments. This versatility is part of what makes them such successful predators. They're not picky about where they live as long as there's food around. And when it comes to finding that food, some species, like the ball python, have heat-sensing pits along their upper lips. These specialized organs allow them to detect warm-blooded prey in complete darkness. It's like having built-in night vision. Now, let's talk about their life cycle. Pythons reproduce by laying eggs, and some species, like the Burmese python, even exhibit maternal care. They'll incubate their eggs and protect them until they hatch, which is pretty remarkable behavior for a snake. In captivity, pythons can live for over 30 years with proper care. But in the wild, their lifespan is often cut short due to predators and environmental challenges. It's a tough life out there, but they've managed to thrive for millions of years. However, not all pythons are in their natural habitats. Some species, like the Burmese python, have become invasive in places like Florida's Everglades. They've disrupted local ecosystems, showcasing how a species can thrive outside its native range, but at a cost to the environment. It's a reminder of the delicate balance of nature and how interconnected everything is. So, the next time you think about pythons, remember that they're more than just big snakes. They're incredible survivors, skilled hunters, and a vital part of the ecosystems they inhabit. Whether you find them terrifying or fascinating, there's no denying that pythons are truly remarkable creatures that deserve our respect and understanding.